After weeks of leaks, OnePlus has finally confirmed the launch date of its new series, the OnePlus Turbo. Includes Turbo 6 and Turbo 6V will be announced on January 8th. The OnePlus Turbo 6 will come in Lone Black, Chasing Light Silver, and Wilderness Green. OnePlus Turbo 6 will have a flat 6.78-inch display screen with support for a 165Hz refresh rate, supports a 1.5K resolution, an optical in-screen fingerprint sensor. The OnePlus Turbo 6 powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage. Both devices will boot to ColorOS 16-based Android 16, comprising a 50MP primary sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, a 32MP camera for selfies. Devices are said to pack a 9,000 mAh battery with 80W wired charging. Offer 27W reverse wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.